Hello students, today I want to welcome you to another lesson for PSC, and in today's lesson we want to answer some questions, and I want you to always go back and view these questions and get familiar with them. And just remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos and lessons that will be posted. Nevertheless, let's go straight into the different multiple choice questions. Number 1 says, Anna lost all of her molar teeth. She is most likely to have problem with A. Grinding food, B. Biting food, C. Tearing food, or D. Cutting food. And the answer is A. Grinding food. So if you lose your molar teeth, you will have a problem with grinding food. Number 2 says, many bacteria that enter the circulatory system are engulfed and destroyed by A. Phagocytic white blood cell, B. platelets, C. pinocytic red blood cells, or D. plasma. And the answer for this question is A. Phagocytic white blood cell. Number 3, in all living plants, when does respiration occur? A. All the time, B. Only in the daytime, C. Only during digestion, or D. Only in darkness. And the answer is A. All the time. So respiration in plants occurred all the time. Number 4 says, most transpiration in plants takes place through the A. Flowers, B. Roots, C. Leaves, or D. Stems. And the answer for this question is C. Leaves. So most transpiration in plants takes place through leaves. Number 5 says, which of these is carried from plant to plant by insects? A. Pistil, B. Pollen, C. Sepal, or D. Stamen. And the answer is B. Pollen. So pollen is carried from plant to plant by insects. Number 6, energy is transferred from the sun to the earth mostly by A. Molecular collisions, B. Density currents, C. Electromagnetic waves, or D. Redshifts. And energy is transferred from the sun to the earth mostly by C. Electromagnetic waves. And to continue, we go into number 7. Number 7 says, Sam left a plant in a dark room and it turned thin and yellowish. This happened because it lacked A. Air, B. Fertilizer, C. Sunlight, or D. Water. And the answer for this question is C. Sunlight. So when a plant is left in a dark room and it turned thin and yellowish, this happened because it lacked sunlight. Number 8, which of these do plants use for taking in carbon dioxide? A. Flower, B. Leaves, C. Roots, or D. Insects. And the answer is leaves. So plants use leaves for taking in carbon dioxide. Number 9, which of the following is the best source of minerals for plants? A. Air, B. Root, C. Soil, or D. Stem. And the answer is C. Soil. So soil is the best source of minerals for plants. Number 10, which of the following is not a female reproductive organ? You have the filament, A, B. Ovary, C. Stigma, or D. Style. And A is the filament. So ovary, stigma, and style are the female part of the plant, but filament is not a female reproductive organ of the plant. Number 11 says, which part of a plant is an onion bulb? A. Flower, B. Leaf, C. Root, or D. Stem. And the answer is D. Stem, which is the part of a plant that is an onion bulb. Number 12 says, why do plants with taproots do well in dry region? A. They reach for water from great depths. B. They store a lot of food. C. They store a lot of water. Or D. They support the stem better. And the answer is A. They reach for water from great depths. Number 13 says, which of the following is not necessary for photosynthesis to take place? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Chlorophyll, C. Oxygen, or D. Sunlight. And the answer is oxygen. So oxygen is not necessary for photosynthesis to take place, but you need carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight in order for it to take place. Number 14 says, which of the following takes water and food to other parts of the plants? A. Stem, B. Root, C. Leaf, or D. Fruit. And the answer is A. Stem, which takes water and food to other parts of the plants. Number 15 reads, which of the following can ruin a farmer's crops? A. Crop rotation, B. Mechanized farming, C. Soil erosion, or D. Strip crossing. And the answer is C. Soil erosion, which can ruin a farmer's crops. Number 16 says, humus components of soil contains a lot of A. Chlorophyll, B. Minerals, salts, C. Oxygen, or D. Water. And the answer is B. Minerals, salts, which is a component of soil that contains a lot of humus. Number 17 says, which activity helps to conserve the soil? A. Burning woods, B. Cutting down trees, C. Digging terraces, or D. Plowing slopes downwards. And the answer is C. Digging terraces. Number 18 says, which is the best definition of soil erosion? A. Breaking down of rocks to form soil, B. The layers that make up the soil, C. The removal of mineral salts from the soil, or D. The removal of topsoil. And the answer is D. The removal of topsoil, which is the best definition of soil erosion. Number 19 says, what type of soil holds water for the longest time? A. Clay soil, B. Loam soil, C. Sand soil, or D. Silt soil. And the answer is A. Clay soil, which is a type of soil that holds water for the longest time. Number 20 asks, what type of soil is the best for growing plants? A. Clay, B. Loam, C. Sand, or D. Silt. And the answer is B. Loam soil, which is the best type of soil for growing plants. Number 21 says, John collected a sample of soil in a container. He poured some water into the container and stirred it up for 2 minutes. After 12 hours, the mixture of water and soil particles settled down. Which of the following shows the correct sequence of how the soil particles settled? A. Clay, sand, silt, and humus. B. Sand, silt, clay, and humus. C. Sand, clay, silt, and humus. Or D. Silt, sand, clay, and humus. And the answer is B. Sand, silt, clay, and humus. We continue with number 22, and it says, Peter collected a soil sample that was red and sticky when wet. This sample is an example of A. Clay soil, B. Loam soil, C. Silt soil, or D. Sandy soil. And the answer is A. Clay soil, which is red and sticky when wet. Number 23 says, the process of seed developing a new plant is A. Termination, B. Seedling, C. Germination, or D. Pollen. And the answer is C, which is germination, which is the process of seed developed in a new plant. Number 24 says, in which of the following rocks are the remains of plants and animals sometimes preserved? A. Concrete, B. Igneous, C. Metamorphic, or D. Sedimentary. And the answer is D. Sedimentary rock. Number 25, which of the following rock types is formed from the magma of volcanoes? A. Concrete, B. Igneous, C. Metamorphic, or D. Sedimentary. And the answer is B. Igneous rock, which is formed from magma of volcanoes. Number 26 says, the sedimentary rock cycle can best be described as A. Deposition, transportation, erosion, B. Erosion, transportation, deposition, C. Erosion, deposition, transportation, or D. Transportation, erosion, or deposition. So the answer is B. Erosion, transportation, and deposition. Number 27 asks, which of the following does not help in the process of breaking down rocks? A. Fossils, B. Plants, C. Temperature, or D. Wind. And the answer is A. Fossils. So fossils does not help in the process of breaking down rocks, but plants, temperature, and wind help in the process of breaking down rocks, except fossils. Number 28 says, which of the following will occur when sedimentary rock is heated and put under pressure? A. It will fizz, B. It will break into pieces, C. It will change to igneous rock, or D. It will change to metamorphic rock. And the answer is D. It will change to metamorphic rock. Number 29 says, which of the following does not show a rock product? A. Fan, B. Clay pot, C. Brick, or D. A china cup. And the answer is A. Fan. Then number 30, it says water travels easily through which type of soil? A. Clay soil, B. Silt soil, C. Sandy soil, or D. Loam soil. And the answer is C. Sandy soil. So water travels easily through sandy soil. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos and lessons that will be posted. Look forward for much more coming soon. So remember, subscribe, ring the bell for quick notification. Thanks so much for tuning in.